In this video, we will show you how to use templates. Log in to the user account. There are two types of templates supported in nikoways. First, nikoways customized templates. These allow you to create your own templates and use them for creating contracts. Second, Google templates. These allow you to use Google Docs or Google Docs templates to create your contracts. To use templates, select Create Digital or Electronic Contract. To use a customized template, click on the Use Template. By using this option, you can use a customized template to create multiple contracts. All the text in blue is editable. You can edit all blue texts according to requirements. To create a customized template, please contact nikoways support. To use a Google template, click on the Google Drive icon. To use a Google Doc or Google template, click on the desired Google Doc. A new pop-up window will appear for confirmation asking you to either create a copy or edit original. Please select the desired option. A new screen will appear. In the current version, placeholders are only supported for Google Documents. With Google Docs or Google Templates, you can use placeholders to automatically populate certain information in the contract. You can add a placeholder by clicking on a particular placeholder from the list on the left panel. You can add information like full name, address, Ethereum account address for digital contracts, email, company name, designation, phone number, and company abbreviation. Please move the placeholders to the desired location. After adding all the placeholders, please click Replace Placeholders. The actual values of the placeholders will be reflected in the contract. Then click Continue. After finalizing your contract, please click on Finalize to send it to the signers. To learn about these nikoways features in detail, please visit nikoways or our social media channels.